Okay, after we know what is PDF and what is CDF, so now we are going to discuss some questions which is more like the PSPM questions. Okay, for that I would like to discuss the example 27. Okay, the probability density function of a continuous random variable x is defined as follows. Okay, we can see here the piecewise function over there, which is density function. Okay, the question wants us to find the ex square. Ex means the mean, and ex square, variance x and variance 1 minus 2x. Okay, let us proceed to the solution. Okay, ex is, if we according to the formula, ex is equals to negative infinity to infinity x fx dx. This is the formula we should know when we are finding the mean. Okay, we will refer back to the piecewise function, which is the first function represents x over 3 is 0 to 1, means that we need to take the limit from 0 to 1 and x times to the function. Same goes to the others, and we will do the integration, and finally we can get the answer is 2. Okay, this is so simple. Okay, we will proceed to the second question, which is we need to find the ex square. Okay, ex square is equals to negative infinity to infinity x square fx. We need to bear in mind that we need to substitute x square fx according to the formula. Okay, as same as the we find the mean. Okay, we need to take the limit from 0 to 1 and 1 to 3 and 3 to 4 and substitute the functions over there. And remember, we need to find we need to use x square in order to find the answer. Okay, after we do the integration, we will get the answer that is 29 over 6. Okay, after that we are going to find the variance. Variance is equals to ex square minus mean square. Okay, just now we already get the value of ex square, which is 29 over 6, and the ex mean square is 2 2 square lah. Okay, so the variance s is equals to 5 over 6. Okay, and then later after this we are going to find the variance 1 minus 2x. According to the properties, we need to factorize out the negative 2, and we need to square it and variant s. Okay, which is 4 times 5 over 6. The answer should be 10 over 3. Okay, let us proceed to the example 28. Okay. X is a continuous random variable with probability density function defined as follows. Okay. The fs is equals to, we can see here the piecewise function. Okay, the question wants us to calculate the variance s and variance for x plus 1. Okay, let us proceed to the solution. As I told you just now, we will use the same formula, which is mean equals to negative infinity to infinity x times function dx. Okay, after we refer to the piecewise function, we can know the range, which we can use it as a limit. Okay, we will use the limit as 0 to 2 and 1 over 2 to 1. We need to substitute the fx value over here, and then after we do the integration, okay, my style is I always take out the constant from the while doing the integration. It will be easy for us to find the answer, and we can reduce our mistakes also as well. Okay, we can get the answer as 1 over 2. Okay, after that we are going to find the ex square, which is negative infinity to infinity x square fx dx. We need to remember this kind of properties. Okay, after this as the same like the example 27, we will take the intervals from the piecewise function and substitute into it the formula given. Okay, after we do the integration, we will get the answer that 25 over 72. Okay, so the variance s is equals to ex square minus mean square. We already get the values for the ex square, which is 25 over 72, minus with the mean square, like 1 over 2 square. So the answer is 7 over 72. Okay, and then we need to find the variance for x plus 1, which is 4 square variance as this is the properties of the variance, equals to 16 times 7 over 72. So the answer should be 14 over 9. If we notice, the style of question is always the same, so we need to bear in mind that we should master the properties of the mean and properties of variance in order to answer a lot of challenging questions like this. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.